Exercise 7.3, problem 11 to 15. In the adjoining figure, AC equal to, so they given us a figure, we are asked to find AC. But if you look at it, this angle is given as 60 degrees and one measurement they have given. So we can use one of the trigonometric ratios. So what happens, this is, if you take tan 60, it's opposite by adjacent. So tan 60 can be calculated. And this side is known, so which means AC can be calculated. So we are using tan 60, which is opposite by adjacent. So this is the angle, therefore this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. I hope you're clear. If we say this is the angle, then this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side. Hypotenuse will remain the same in all cases because it is always opposite to the right angle and it is the longest side. It's only these two sides will keep changing. If you take this as angle, this is opposite side and this is adjacent. If you take this as angle, this is opposite side and this is adjacent. Okay, so let's be clear on that. Now we're using tan 60, that is tan 60 is root 3, but the opposite side is AC divided by adjacent side is AB. So root 3 is AB by 25, or AC will be equal to root 3 25, and that is option B. Right? Now let's go to the next one. In the adjoining figure, angle ABC equal to, they are asked us to find the angle ABC. So here what have they done? In this case they gave you one angle and one side and they've asked you to find the other side. But in this case they are giving you two sides and asking you to find the angle. So what relationship can you establish between this angle ABC, right? So this is what they want us to find. Any relationship can you propose between this angle and these two sides? It's tan B. Tan B is opposite by adjacent side, right? So tan B is opposite side by adjacent. As I told you, if this is angle B, this is opposite side, right? It's right opposite to it, and the other side becomes adjacent. Okay, this is always hypotenuse because this is opposite to the right angle, right? So tan B will be opposite, that is by adjacent, that is 100 root 3 by 100. And what will happen? This 100 and this 100 will cancel and you'll be left with root 3. So root 3 is, tan B is root 3. So for what angle we have root 3? That is for tan 60, if I'm not mistaken, right? So B equal to 60 degrees. Tan 60 is root 3. Yeah, tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and tan 60 is root 3. Therefore, it is option C. Right, now let's go to problem 13. A man is 28.5 meters away from a tower. His eye level above ground is 1.5 meters. The angle of elevation of the tower from his eyes is 45 degrees. Then the height of the tower is. It's a complicated problem. I don't understand why they have given here in objective. But anyway, let's draw a simple diagram. So what happens? So this is 1.5. So this is the ground level and this is the tower. Okay. And he is 28.5 meters from the tower. So AE is the tower and DB is the man actually, and he is 28.5 meters from the tower and his eye level is 1.5 meters above the ground level. Right, so this is 1.5 meters. Now what they is asking us, they are asking us the height of the tower. So, and the angle of elevation for him is 45 degrees. From here, if he looks up the top of the tower, it is 45 degrees. So we know tan 45 is opposite by adjacent, so that is equal to 1. And this is 28.5 meters, which means CD is also 28.5 meters. And tan 45 is opposite by adjacent, that is 1. So which means this will be also 28.5 meters. EC will be 28.5. And you know, the man is 1.5 meters above his eye level. So this AC is also 1.5 meters. Therefore, the height of the tower will be EC, which is 28.5 meters, plus AC, which is 1.5 meters. So that will be 30 meters. So I think is option A. So let's check our working. Tan 45 is opposite by adjacent. So that is equal to 1. And in this case, it is EC divided by CD, right? So EC by CD, CD as I told you is equal to AB. So AB is 28.5 means this will be also 28.5. Similarly, BD is 1.5 and AC is also 1.5, right? So EC by 28.5 is 1, or EC will be equal to 28.5. So now we have found EC. Then what's the height of the tower? Height of the tower is EC plus AC. The height of the total height of the tower is EC plus AC, but AC is 1.5 meters. Therefore, it is 28.5 plus 1.5, that is 30 meters. So that is nothing but option A. Okay. Now let's go to the problem 14. In the adjoining figure, sin theta is 15 by 17, then BC equal to. So this is theta, and they are saying, oh, it's a mistake. Okay, I'm sorry. I mean, it's right. Just check the book. It is right. So they have given sin theta is 15 by 17, and they have given the measurement of AC. We are asked to find BC, but we know sin theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. So that will be BC by hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse, which is 15 by 17. They have given us that value, right? And that is equal to opposite side is BC and the hypotenuse is 85. So 15 by 17 equal to BC by 85. So BC will be equal to 15 by 17 into 85. And what will happen here? 17 will go 5 times. So 15 into 5, that is 75 meters. So what is 75 meters? That is option D. You got it? So they have given us the sin theta value, and they have given you hypotenuse, and they are asking us to find the opposite side. So sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse, which is 15 by 17 given in the problem, and that is equal to opposite side is BC and the hypotenuse is 85. So simplify this equation, you will be able to get the value of BC. Okay, right. Now let's go to problem 15. 1 plus tan square theta into 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus tan theta, sin theta. So this is A plus B into A minus B, right? So this will become A1 minus sin square theta, and this I am replacing it as sin square theta by cos square theta, because all our options are in terms of sin theta and cos theta. So you'll have to look at the options and select the method of doing it. You can also write this as 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta, right? So that way also you can do. But if it's, what is secant square theta? That will be 1 by cos square theta, and 1 minus this sin square theta is cos square theta. So it will cancel off and it will get us 1. And 1 means this is the option, because that is sin square theta plus cos square theta. That is one way of doing. But let me show, because we'll have to work in terms of the answer. Whatever is answer is given, we'll have to work in that direction. So I'm replacing this as 1 minus sin square theta, and this I'm replacing it as sin square theta by cos square theta. Now if you take LCM, this will become cos square theta plus sin square theta by cos square theta. And so this is getting as cos square theta. So what will happen? These two will cancel and you'll be left with sin square theta plus cos square theta. But whereas if you have, which is this option, right? But whereas if you have done the other case, 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. That is 1 by cos square theta. And this is also, this will get us cos square theta. So it will be 1 by cos square theta into cos square theta. That cos square theta and cos square theta will cancel. You will be left with 1. And then what you have to say, 1 I am replacing it as sin square theta plus cos square theta, and select option C. Okay, so that is one another way of doing, but this is much easier. Okay, and straightforward to understand. Okay, I hope it's clear. If not, please go through this one more time. It will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.